Let's talk about an oily skin facial care routine using La Roche-Posay products. This brand is a luxurious brand that is dedicated to improving the quality of life of its customers by developing safe and effective products. Their product formulas are allergy tested, non-comedogenic, tested on sensitive skin and packaged in a way to minimize possible contamination. For someone with oily skin, the best thing your skin needs is a product with little oil, a very light cream or gel base. This will help put less grease on your skin. Now, let's dive into what your facial care routine should be like. The first step in your routine, you need a face cleanser. This foaming gel from La Roche-Posay is a good option for removing excess oil, gently cleansing the skin without over-drying it, and also helping to prevent breakouts over time. It is oil-free, paraben-free, alcohol-free and even safe for sensitive skin. Simply apply a generous amount on your wet face and gently massage in a circular motion before rinsing off and patting the face dry. Next, follow this up with a face mask. The best option for someone with oily skin is a clay mask, and this clarifying clay face mask from La Roche-Posay is an amazing choice. This 2-in-1 purifying clay face mask is a multitasking clay mask that removes excess oil, controls shine and eliminates invisible impurities for a smoother and more radiant skin. After cleansing, apply this all over your face generously and allow it stay for at least 5 minutes before rinsing it off. After using it, the pores will appear more refined, the skin stays matte and less oily for longer. Remember, you should only use this once or twice per week. Once the face mask is rinsed off and the face patted dry, follow up with a toner. This helps in a good way to sweep away any residual cleanser and dirt while prepping the skin for other treatments coming after it. For this, the micro-exfoliating astringent toner from LA will amaze you. This clear and refreshing no-rinse formula is perfect for acne-prone and oily skin as it acts well like a pore minimizer and helps visibly reduce the look of pores. This clear, refreshing micro-exfoliating toner refines skin texture, unblocks and tightens the pores. To use this, dampen cotton wool or pad with it and apply gently to the face morning and evening after cleansing and using face mask on days you would use it. Try to avoid the eye area and don't rinse it after use. With your pores open and ready to receive other treatments, this is the time to use your serum. This Hyalu B5 hyaluronic acid serum from La Roche-Posay will do a great job as it is formulated with 2 types of hyaluronic acid that creates a triple anti-aging complex for optimal effectiveness and gentleness. This serum can be used as a daily anti-aging and hyaluronic acid serum to visibly plump, hydrate, and help reduce the sign of fine lines on the skin. You can enjoy the benefits of this serum by massaging 3 to 4 drops of it to the whole face and neckline, morning and evening. The reason why the serum is so much loved for an oily skin is that it is oil-free and doesn't feel greasy, which is just perfect for the skin type. With the serum given a minute to sink well into the skin, you can reach for your eye cream as you do not want to ignore that area in your routine, just as many people do. La Roche-Posay's Redermic Retinol Eye Cream formulated with pure retinol will go a long way for you. To visibly reduce the appearance of crow's feet, it also contains retinol booster complex to enhance the retinol efficacy while reducing skin discomfort commonly associated with retinols. The caffeine content will also help to visibly reduce the appearance of dark circles, appearance of crow's feet wrinkles and signs of fatigue. Apply this in the morning and or evening and massage from the inner corner of the eye outward. Now, your facial care routine is not complete without a face moisturizer or cream to finish the work of locking in moisture for long. To do this perfectly, the Hydraface Light Face Moisturizer is your best choice as someone with oily skin. It is an oil-free, non-greasy and lightweight face moisturizer that immediately plumps the skin with moisture, providing radiant-looking skin and long-lasting 72-hour hydration. With its unique airless pump dispenser, You can apply this moisturizer to your face and neck in the morning and evening. But hold on, don't run away yet. If you are going out in the daytime, a complete sun protection will help protect your skin against the sun's damage. This LA Roche-Posay's UV Correct Anti-Aging Sunscreen with SPF 70 will surely go a long way. It is a lightweight and non-greasy anti-aging formula that can easily blend into any skin tone and help to correct and protect from visible signs of sun damage. It is formulated with Cellux's B3 Shield technology, a broad-spectrum UVA/UVB protection with antioxidants and niacinamide. It is lovely as it is a sheer finish lotion sunscreen that helps visibly correct uneven skin tone, fine lines and rough skin texture. Once you are consistent with these, I can bet you that there is no skin blemish, hyperpigmentation, sensitivity or concerns that your face won't scale through. Just make it your duty to always remember when and how each one would be used. Use them daily, take pictures along the skincare journey, and watch the progress of the results. The good thing is, your skin's excess oil will be minimized, your skin would breathe freely, it will stay protected and hydrated always, and will maintain that healthy and natural glow all the time. But don't fret, if you can't keep up with all these products, you can just choose to pick the 3 major ones. They are like the most basic facial care routine you can follow and still maintain a good skin. You can start with cleansing, follow up with toning and then finish up with a good moisturizer. A moisturizer with an SPF would be a better choice. So tell us, what's your facial care routine like? Is it giving your skin what it needs to stay radiant? Let's hear your comments, suggestions and questions in the comment section below. You can check the description below for direct links to the LA Roche-Posay's products mentioned here. Also check there for links to resources you might find useful. Feel free to share this video to those who would find it helpful and also like and subscribe, as there are tons of videos like this coming up.